Breakfast, they say it's the most important meal of the day. But let's be real. Most of us either skip it, grab something unhealthy, or get stuck in the same boring routine. Well, not anymore. Today, we're bringing you 5 delicious, healthy, and easy breakfast ideas that will fuel your body, boost your energy, and keep you full for hours. Ready? Let's go. 1 Greek yogurt power bowl. First up, the Greek yogurt power bowl. Packed with protein, probiotics, and healthy fats, this bowl is perfect for a quick and nutritious breakfast. Simply take 1 cup of Greek yogurt, top it with fresh berries, a handful of granola, and a drizzle of honey. Want an extra boost? Sprinkle some chia seeds for fiber and omega-3s. It's creamy, crunchy, and absolutely delicious. 2. Avocado toast with a twist. You've seen avocado toast before, but this version takes it up a notch. Smash half an avocado on a slice of whole grain toast, then top it with a soft-boiled or poached egg for protein. But here's the twist. Add a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning and a drizzle of hot honey for the perfect balance of savory and sweet. 1 bite and you're hooked. 3. Banana oat pancakes. Craving pancakes but want to keep it healthy? Try banana oat pancakes. Blend together 1 ripe banana, 2 eggs, half a cup of rolled oats, and a pinch of cinnamon. Cook them in a pan for about 2 minutes on each side, and boom, you have fluffy, nutritious pancakes with 0 added sugar. Top with some almond butter and berries, and breakfast is served. 4. Green detox smoothie. Need something quick and refreshing? This green detox smoothie is packed with vitamins and fiber to keep you full and energized. Just blend together 1 banana, a handful of spinach, half an avocado, almond milk, and a spoon of peanut butter. Trust me, you won't even taste the greens. It's creamy, naturally sweet, and packed with nutrients. 5. Overnight chia pudding. And finally, if you want breakfast ready to go, try overnight chia pudding. Mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of almond milk, add a touch of vanilla extract and honey, and let it sit overnight in the fridge. By morning, it's thick, creamy, and ready to eat. Top with mango chunks, shredded coconut, or dark chocolate chips for a fun twist. And there you have it. 5 healthy, easy, and absolutely delicious breakfasts to start your day right. Which one are you trying first? Comment below and let us know. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy food ideas. See you in the next video.